Welcome to learning C Sharp 8 and .NET Core 3. My name is Mohammed Azat, and I will be demonstrating to you how to use .NET Core 3 to create awesome applications that can run seamlessly cross-platform on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Along the way, I will be guiding you to your first baby steps in programming. Please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Mohammed Azad, and I am working as a .NET software engineer consultant. During more than 10 years of experience, I have accumulated experience on almost all Microsoft platforms, where I have been developing and coaching. I have been an active .NET community member, where I was organizing and speaking on public Microsoft-specific technologies events. Most of my experience I spent developing large-scale enterprise applications, usually involved desktop, web, and mobile applications. Please feel free to reach out for me on my Twitter, The Mez Effect. So let's see what we will learn in this course. First thing, we will take a small leap by actually preparing our PC environment for development. Then, we will start a very basic programming with C#. And there we will be doing small pieces of code that will get you warmed up. After that, we'll get a bit more advanced with introducing of programming execution flows and arrays. And the next step is figuring out how to use files, write and read to them, and how to create methods. At this stage, we will get to know object-oriented programming. And this is crucial for this stage, and we will do that. Afterwards comes the perfect time to introduce .NET Core, how to install it, and how to use the available project types. Then comes the final piece, when we will build a full desktop application in .NET Core. For you to use that course, you'll need a functional PC that is running Windows, Linux, or Mac. So let's go ahead and get started.